Hi, from Penny's Kitchen. I am going to talk to you today about my favorite appliance, and that is our Deluxe cooking blender. So there is an on and off switch on the side. So it's plugged in. I put the switch on. The blender will only work, and it makes a lovely sound when the lid is in place. And then we've got, let's just slide it around. So then we have many different functions. Okay, we have 8 different functions. So we have a smoothie function. So when you want a smoothie, you just push it on smoothie, and then it is already set. There's nothing in there. It's already set to 1 minute. So I get so used to I make a smoothie every morning. I get so used to doing this that I used a blender on vacation and I forgot, and I went and did something else and I forgot. The blender was just going and going and going, because this one just shuts off after a minute when your smoothie is done. So it is great. It has a very high horsepower, and it really does a great job of pureeing like frozen fruits. I make a blueberry smoothie every morning. But that's a usual blender thing. That's special, but it's not as special as some of the other functions. So our next function is alternative milk, and actually, hang on, I am making almond milk in a little bit. So these are my almonds that have been soaking for 5 hours, and I'm going to rinse them. I'm going to pour that water out. I'm going to put the almonds in there. I'm going to fill up the water here, and then I'm going to hit alternative milk and make almond milk. And with the blender, you'll get a filter bag. So you just pour it in, squeeze out the almond pulp, and you have fresh almond milk. And with that almond pulp, you can actually make almond flour. So guys, that's amazing. Plus you can do lots of different alternative milks. So the blender comes with a great cookbook. Each of the functions, so far we've done 2, smoothie and alternative milk, has different recipes for all different things. So the next one is grind. That's peanut butter, hummus, dips, pesto, Parmesan cheese. You can grate Parmesan cheese in here. The list goes on and on and on. We have great recipes in the book. We're going to skip over to the other side to the heated functions. So our heated functions are puree and soup and jam and sauce. And we've got recipes to support all of these. So you can make fresh jam in here in a jam. I'm serious. I made jam in there. I didn't know what I was doing. Just follow along, and it's so easy. I've made lots of different purees, from parsnip puree to broccoli puree. Oh, it's so great that you can serve them over pasta. You can make your own tomato sauce in here. If you've got little kids, you can hide carrots in your tomato sauce and get those veggies in as well. And then there is the heated wash. So let's say you've got your peanut butter in here. You scrape your peanut butter out. Oh, and this is essential. This is our great spatula that we sell for the blender. And this is just a great piece, because you take your peanut butter out and then you put water in, you hit heated wash, and it washes the whole thing out. So you can clean your blender every day without even putting it in the sink and then just rinsing it out. I mean, this is really pretty incredible. Plus then the custom, there's lots of recipes. Oh, see, the back page is really fun. There's lots of recipes. That's where you'll find margaritas and all your other pina coladas and things like that, and nice cream, which is a vegan healthy ice cream that you make with frozen bananas and chocolate, or make it strawberry. So this and this will make your life so much easier. It is my favorite small appliance.